This video will show you how to get more attention on social media like Instagram, Facebook, online games, or any other media with just by revamping your profile photo. The idea is to create a vibrant border around your profile picture so it will stand out from the crowds. The similar effect like when user add new live video on Instagram, their profile will have a vibrant border to make it distinctive. With this web app, you don't need any designing skill or software to create a perfect circular border. First open timelinecoverbanner.com. This website provides free image maker apps specifically for social media needs. Choose Profile Maker app. Just click on the image. Click on Open Web App button. Alright, now this is the app. Click on camera icon to add photo. If you open this on your phone, you will be able to capture photo from phone camera. Now drag and zoom it to make good composition you desired. Click on check icon. Now the app will automatically add border based on your photo color. Click on download and it will instantly save on your computer. Now play with the magic wand tool for changing the color. Those three circle icon is to change the thickness. If you need an overlay gradient over your photo, just choose the third one. Make sure you download each picture you think is good before you change the color or thickness because it don't have undo redo button. Once you have satisfied with the result, next is upload to your Instagram, Facebook, or other social medias. Now your profile picture looks eye-catchy, especially when visitors see it in a list of account on Instagram search. The best part is that it done effortlessly, no software installation required, work on mobile phone, free, and save time. Thanks for watching.